This property is under roof 544 square meters on 1,000 square meter land. It's in the market for 9.8 million, and you need to pay your transfer duties and bond fees if it's applicable on top. Yeah, let me show you inside. On your left, you do have this first bedroom that you can also utilize as a study or a guest room at the front entrance. A beautiful open double volume entrance that features the staircase and all this natural light coming in, the glass, and again the lights, special lights, and the different light settings. That's also important, that you'll experience the different shades of light. As you notice, when we stand on the outside, there's 3 garages. The garages is not renovated yet, but the garages is also like a feature. When you park, it becomes like a showroom from the swimming pool side, and you can enter directly to your garages from here straight into your property. We do have a flatlet on the outside that is also totally different from the usual, and it's also part of this property but also separate. Looking in this beautiful open area with your lap pool and all the lights that's making a difference and highlight all this modern finishes in this property. Looking at this, your renovated kitchen, enough space, workspace, double of big loose standing gas stove, workspace, prep bowl, space for your double door fridge here, and then also the amount of cupboard space. We do have a separate scullery. Let me show you on this side. Also space for 1, 2, 3 appliances, a walk-in pantry that you can close off, and when we exit on this side, you do have your staff accommodation and a bathroom, shower, basin, and a toilet. The amount of I-beams that's installed, the double volume, the size on these doors, anything that's opening up onto the pool, give you this inviting feeling that you want to be on the outside. I want to place your attention and your focus on this size pool. This is basically 7 meters by nearly 5.5 meters wide. A lap pool with this strip of artificial grass all around. Look at all the lights that gives this ambience on this property. And then also, when you're looking at the architectural design, looking up to this property and experience this beautiful view towards this with all the wood, steel and aluminium finishes on it, complements this property in total. Let me show you the rest of the entertainment area. On this entertainment area, you can play around and decide how you want to place your furniture. If you want to do another entertainment area here, maybe you can. This area is definitely designed for like a bar area. So if you want to do like a small or like a cellar, more like your bars on that side, but more like a wine cellar, put nice glasses, nice ornaments, a focus point here, and maybe like a reading nook, just something to sit and chill. And then you also have the separate bathroom, powder room, and then It is now dark on the outside, but looking out and experiencing these windows, you can visualize daylight to look out. As a one-way and one-way glass, so you cannot see to the inside, but you can see out. So that makes it nice to see and experience the rest of your garden all around, all the open amount of glass, open area onto the pool. And then a lot of people prefer to have a big entertainment area with a proper braai, an open braai that you can utilize inside, and then a big size bar area that you can utilize also for maximum value. If you want to utilize it and make a coffee station, ideal for the people to entertain. From this side you can also see this open lovely space, again your pool area, that give you this open inviting feeling. And then from here I want to show you the flatlet area. You can just look towards this side. Remember in the beginning I've mentioned that your garage can become a showcase. So while you entertain, your cars can be parked here, and then it's like a showroom, and you can show off your sports vehicle. This is also a small kitchenette, like a family room here. You got a little bedroom on that side, and then your bathroom. I'll show you now. Your bedroom area with a northern window, cupboards in here, and then toilet, bidet, and a basin, and you do have a shower here. That's also nicely positioned, with a shower head coming from the roof. Let's also have a look from this side. And again, focus on the lights, the amount of lights. And a lot of people prefer not to put blinds, but nothing stops you to keep it open because it's still private. Let's look upstairs. Looking at this PJ lounge here, you can also utilize this area as a study or a work from home part. This side behind me consists of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and then also lovely open space. First bathroom. Big frameless shower, and then also a loose standing bath, and beautiful floating vanities with a good quality basin. The second bathroom, behind this door we do have a shower, basin and a toilet. So the 2 bedrooms, this one here and this one there, can decide which bathroom they want to use. We do have a balcony, and then also your private study corner. Looking at this beautiful view. The amount of cupboard space also is important, with drawers and hanging space and shelving. A little bit of a library here to store your books. Bedroom number 3. Exactly a mirror from the one next door. Also share this balcony. And looking at the main bedroom. Oh, before we go into main bedroom, we do have this one that's got its own bathroom, shower, basin, and then also a hybrid toilet ensuite. Entering the main bedroom, the amount of cupboard space, nicely positioned here. Looking at your main bedroom with this big double door opening up onto this patio, and you have this natural eastern sunlight coming in. Here you can place even a queen size, king size, extra leg, whatever you want, or you can utilize the one part as a small lounge area. Entering the main ensuite, loose standing bath. Look at the detail, hand shower, hybrid toilets, his and hers basin, and then the mirror with the different settings. You do have a double shower, and again this windows is one way, so from the outside you cannot see in, but from here looking to the outside it's clear and you can experience this beautiful view over your garden. Look on the size of your shower heads, also high and directly coming through the roof, with extractor fans, beautifully finished, ready for you to move in. If you're looking for something that's renovated, quality, in the old midstream, this is the place to be. Like I mentioned, 6 bedrooms, 3 garages, and then also including that flatlet. With staff accommodation, open living areas, and beautiful lighting. As you can see, that's been designed